Hello, my dear viewers. My name is Hitesh Mehta, and I am back with another very interesting video on Python codes. In today's video, we are going to build a very simple kind of game that is called a number guessing game. And when you are just beginning with Python journey, these small projects matter a lot. They just boost your confidence level, and they just give you a very good learning of the concepts. So आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. Today we are going to build a small number guessing game. So क्या होती है नंबर गेसिंग गेम? वेरी सिंपल. हम एक रेंज दे देंगे कंप्यूटर को, जिसमें से वो एक नंबर गेस करेगा एंड नंबर चूज करेगा, एंड देन वी हैव टू गेस द नंबर करेक्टली. हमारे पास 3 या 5 गेसेस होंगे, उसमें से हमें गेस करना है कि वो नंबर कौन सा है विच हैज बीन चोजन बाय द कंप्यूटर. So let's just begin. So first of all, what do we have to do? We can just give the rules to the user. Okay, so we can just uh, just to make this game interactive, we can use various things. For example, like hello gamers, we can use hello gamers. So and we can use various kind of codes, like hello gamers, and we can see here we can write the rules of the game. Rules of the number guessing game. Okay, rules of the number guessing game. We can just give a brief info about the game to the user. So rules of the number guessing game, first of all we can write then the computer will choose any random natural number from 1 to 50. Okay, so I have decided that इस गेम की जो रेंज होगी, my computer will choose any random number, natural number from 1 to 50. You can change as per your convenience. You can change this range as per your convenience. Okay, so the computer will choose any random natural number from 1 to 50. You have to guess the number chosen by the computer, and for it you will have 5 chances. Okay, since my range is a little big, 1 to 50, 50 numbers are there, so I'll give 5 chances to the user. Okay, and so let's just begin with the actual code. This was the message that was given to the user. Okay, so let's just start. First of all, what's the logic here? First of all, we have to choose a random number, and for helping the computer to choose the random number, what do? We have to import random. So here I'll use the random function in the random module. For that I am importing just the random module. I don't want the random module entirely. So I'll write from random import. We can write import random. Okay, we have imported random. हमने random वाली जो function है, we have imported from the random library, and let's save it as rd. Okay, random कौन बार बार लिखेगा, तो we can just write rd. Okay, now let me create a variable c for choice. Okay, c for choice by the computer. So c here will be, or let me just write it as choice, will be what? You have to write random, that is rd, and in brackets you have to mention the range जिसमें से आपको number choose करना. So I'll mention 1 to 50. Make sure you know how to use random these functions, random function, range function. You know कि इसमें कैसे हम रेंज अप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर मैंने 1 से 50 दे दिया. सो माई नंबर विल बी चूजन फ्रॉम 1 to 50. Now what can I do? Here is, let me just ask the user for 5 times. Okay, we will ask the user for 5 times to put their entries. So I'll use a loop here, and since we know how many times I want to run the loop, I'll use the for loop. For I in range, okay, I have to give 5 chances. So I'll use this as 1 to 6. Okay, I'll use the range 1 to 6 because it moves up to the one number less than the given one. Okay, so for I in range 1 to 6, first of all, let's just print you have and out of here 6 minus I chances left. Okay, you have 6 minus I. Why 6 minus I? Because for example, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब ये पहली बार ये लूप चलेगा तो आई की वैल्यू 1 होगी, यानी हमारे पास पूरी 5 चांसेस है. ठीक है, आई की वैल्यू जब 1 होगी तो वी हैव 5 चांसेस. जब आई की वैल्यू 2 होगी वी हैव 4 चांसेस. सो दैट इज व्हाई द पैटर्न हियर विल बी 6 माइनस आई. फॉर एग्जांपल जब आई की वैल्यू 1 है तो इट विल रन अप टू so it will print you have 5 chances left. Okay, so now let's ask the user. So let me take you choice of user. Okay, equals to, let's ask the user input. First of all we have to use the int function because we need an input value, integer value. Okay, int input, enter your guess. Okay, enter your guess. So choice of user, int input, enter your guess. Now we have to check whether the choice of user is correct or not. So if choice of user is equal to the choice that was made by the computer, then we'll say just break the loop. Okay, just break the loop. And one more thing, out of this loop let me take another variable called flag. Okay, flag. Why I am using flag? मैं flag किस लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ? ताकि बस मुझे पता रहे कि flag ताकि मुझे बस पता रहे कि यूजर ने करेक्ट आंसर चूज किया भी है या नहीं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव गिवन द वैल्यू 0. 0 यहाँ पर मेरा रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, मैंने उसको अज्यूम कर लिया कि 0 मेरा रिप्रेजेंट करेगा कि यूजर ने सही वैल्यू नहीं दी है. एंड इफ here if choice of user equals to the choice, so I'll change this value to 1. Okay, 1 मेरा represent करेगा yes correct value. Okay, so if the value is correct, the whatever value has been chosen by the user is correct, so I'll turn flag to 1 and I'll break the loop. Else elif, okay, I want to print whether the number is too much high or too much low also as compared to the number chosen by the computer. So if choice of user choice of user is greater than that of the choice, जो user ने number डाला है it is very high than the choice, so print too high. Okay, so too high. Okay, and else in the else part obviously अगर बराबर नहीं है ज्यादा नहीं है तो obviously लो ही होगा. तो यूजर ने जो भी चूज किया it is lower than that of the actual value. So else print too low. Too low. Okay, now at last I'll check if my flag is equal to 0, यानी मेरे फ्लैग की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुई. फ्लैग की वैल्यू चेंज कब होगी? अगर आंसर सही होगा, अगर जो गेस है यूजर का वो सही होगा. तो मेरी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुई यानी यूजर हार गया है. सो वील प्रिंट ओके, वेरी सॉरी, प्रिंट सॉरी you have lost the game. Okay, sorry, you have lost the game. And will also print the computer has chosen okay, जो भी चूज किया है choice. Okay, choice. And in the else part where flag is equal to 1, print will write well done. Okay, well done, well done, you have won the game. Okay, you have won the game. So that's it, that's the code, that's the small code. Okay, so let's just run this code and check whether we have accomplished our task or not. Okay, so let me just run this code. Okay, so I'm running this code. You can see here. Just a minute. Let me just, yes. So you can see here. So hello gamers, the rules have been mentioned. Now you have 5 chances left. Okay. So let me take any random number. Let me add put 35. Okay. So it's too high. It's too high. So I have to think of a number smaller than 35. Okay, so let me think 20. It's again too high. Let me take another number which is smaller than 20. Let me take 5. Okay, it's now too low. Okay, it's too low. So what can the number, so too low yani higher than 5, higher than 5 yani 5 और 20 के बीच में कोई number है, but I have only 2 chances left. So let me take any number 15. Let's take 15. Okay, 15. So it's again too high. I have only 1 chance left. Okay, let me choose any number 9. Okay, 9. So too low. It was wrong. Sorry, you have lost the game. The computer has chosen 10. So you know how close was I? I was. Okay, I had guessed 9, but I had not guessed 10. So the correct answer was 10 here. So that's it. That's the code for the number guessing game. For your reference, I'll put this code in the description box of this video. If you have liked the video, if you have liked the code, please give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and please share as much as you can so that everyone around you, your friends, uh, anyone would get aware of these small projects, especially for the Python beginners. These small projects are very crucial for the proper journey of the Python. Okay, for the Python beginners. So thank you, have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy.